Hey, what's up guys? World's best friend here, and today we have another Hasbro unboxing. I'm sorry guys, but this is just a kind of a unboxing channel, okay? So if you want me to do more battles, then make sure you comment below what versus what. Don't just say I subscribe your videos, I subscribe to your channel. Just I know you guys are kind. You always subscribe to my channel, but can you just give me some video ideas? Like, please, can you give me some ideas to, like, my mind's like crossing right now because I start school, guys. So yeah, make sure to give me some ideas too. Okay, so today we're gonna box another double pack. I bought kerbeus because you know, I want to do a generation battle. Yeah. Okay. So yeah. So this is not kind of a random booster. It's like a triple set that you can buy in Takara told me. So let's just unbox this. We're gonna battle 4 Beyblade today. We're gonna battle God Valkyrie, or I'm sorry, Strike God Valkyrie, Rising Ragnarok, Beat Kokoken. Let me clean this up. Oh, okay, this is so messy, so messed up. Okay, and everybody's favorite, Spriggan Requiem. Let's go. And yeah, so we're gonna unbox this thing. Oh, the instructions just fell. Oh god. Okay. Wow, this thing. Oh my god. Hey, is this Rise? Wait, let me think. Wait, do kerbeus have Rise? I think so. Like, I have Rise right here. No, wait. I'm sorry, Revolve. Revolve, I'm so sorry. This is the Hasbro Revolve. Okay. Okay. Wow. I was like, is this Rise? No, this is not. This is Revolve. Okay. Let's get started with Blizzard X Giant something, and J4. Okay, here's the Beyblade. Very cool. This isn't dueler. This is a balance type, I think. Yeah, I think this is a balance type. Here's the QR code for you guys. What's this? Okay, fine. Here you go. It's okay. So you go. So next up we have one, which is Excalibur. Wait, actually let me try with my Xeno one. But Xeno it's fake, so I throw it away. Yeah, I can just try it, you know. They burst too much. It's fake. Okay? We have one. How much stars is this? 2 stars, sad life. Okay, let's move on to what? This is Hunter or Extreme? If it's Extreme, I'll be so happy. Dude, I don't really like Hunter. This guy. Look, I think these shape look the same, but I think wait. Oh, it's Hunter. Fine, it's okay. But look, this tip thing is bigger than the regular Hunter. I really like Extreme because it's very like fast and attack type driver, and I really like it. I don't really like Hunter because you will see, guys. It's not that like big of attack driver. It's like a balance driver or something like that. I really like Extreme now. I know Extreme is very like powerful, and it's not cheap. It's like so expensive. So I just keep with Hunter for now, and then yeah. So after, I think this is very expensive. I just like variable or something like that now. Okay, so let's put this together. Oh yeah, let me see the modes. How do you change this? Oh, how do you, what? Pull, twist, pull. Twist. Oh, wait, what? Which way do you twist? No, never mind. It's okay. It's okay. So let's see the teeth. It doesn't matter which side, okay? Oh. Kind of loose. I really want to test it right now. 3, 2, oh my gosh. Okay. Go shoot. I feel like it's kind of like extreme type driver. Okay, so extreme / hunter. Okay. Let's move on to kerbeus. I'm gonna start with the driver first. What's this? A revolve? What do you? Oh, whoa! What is this, guys? What is this? Whoa! This is so cool. Oh, what the? Guys, what the? Wait, what is this? Oh, just make it lower. How do you? Where's my instruction? Low instruction. Never mind. I'll figure out it later. Now the disc. It's kind of an old disc. We have heavy, which is in Ragnarok. Wait, do you have to throw it away? Where's my instruction? What? It's under my nope. Oh, yeah, found it. So let me look at the instruction real quick. So the instruction said slide. Okay. Oh, so you slide and what? Wait. What's this? So tricky. That's it? Wait. You just turn this? Is my thing broken? What? What do you mean? What? Oh, there we go. Okay, so it's just like you touch it and it landed right here and it just hold flat. Okay, never mind. Let's just don't do this. Okay, so this is 3-star. Good job. Now let's move on to the hyper kerbeus. Kerbeus, I love it. Oh my god. Okay. This is a QR code for you guys. Okay. Dude, this thing looks so cool. Okay, let's put this together. Together. Just kidding. Oh. No! I thought this stays. Okay, fine. Even Takara told me this is guys loose, but you know, it's okay. Now let's do the battle between these two, and then yeah. Go. Oh, there you go. Go shoot. No stamina. Okay, so this is no clicks. No clicks. Oh my god, do you see it? It jumped. Okay. Oh, kerbeus still takes that one with no clicks. Okay, actually I really want to try the slingshot mode. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, okay, this is very sad. It's not that fast. Does it say it's fast? No, it's just speed, no power. What? How is this speed? It's power, not speed. Oh yeah, sorry. No speed. See? No speed, but 6 power. Okay, I guess. Now let's do some battles. Let's go with God Valkyrie. Strike Valkyrie. This guy can kill him. Oh my gosh. No clicks. Okay. Okay, now Charizard. Oh, Hunter. See? It just doesn't like move that much. I really want to try these, this versus Charizard. Go! Oh, kerbeus, take the win. Okay, now let's do some dueler, baby. We have a stamina tie coming your way. This is Revolve versus Revolve S. Oh, that sound though. Alright. Oh, who's gonna win? Oh, kerbeus, take the win. Okay, now steel spin time or spin steel time, whatever you want to say it. Oh. Okay, it's coming up. Oh, who's gonna win? He's gonna burst. Let's go. Oh, kerbeus wins. All right, I want to do another. Okay, let's just do this first. Okay, I promise you guys. See this first. 3, 2, shoot. Go shoot. Oh! Oh my gosh. That huge hit though. Okay. No clicks, Charizard. No clicks to Gaianon. Something like that. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at this. Halfway. Oh my god. Okay. Now, let me do the last few rounds of these. I want to see if Valkyrie can destroy him. Oh, I broke my launcher. Guys, I broke it. No! My straight launcher broke. Oh no. Oh, okay, it didn't broke. Ah, sorry guys. I was just fixing my launcher, I'm sorry. Okay. This is... Oh my gosh. My launcher is not meant to be for God. Oh. Okay. Oh, Valkyrie, you're very sad, you know. Okay. Oh, come on, God Valkyrie! Show your power! No. God Valkyrie! What are you doing? Okay. 3, 2. Come on, God Valkyrie! Yay, kerbeus wins. Okay, so thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and turn on my post notification because you don't want to miss any of my videos. Of course, see you next time. Volt's best friend out. So I'm just telling you guys, I'm not recording that much because I have school. My mom don't let me record Thursday to like Monday. No, Monday to Thursday. I'm sorry guys, but I really don't have time. I have a lot of homework. I'm in like 5th grade right now. So yeah. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe. And yeah, Volt's best friend out.